Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm going to show you a makeup look that many of you requested me to do. So that is the wedding guest makeup look. You can wear it to any weddings or parties or festive season. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please continue watching the video. Before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, skincare is very important to make your makeup last longer and to have a flawless base. So first, I have used Pure by Priyanka Vitamin C Brightening Face Wash, which brightens up my face and preps my skin so well. Next, I'm using Neutriderm Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion is so good if you're gonna wear makeup. It is suitable for all skin types and keeps my base so good. For lips, I've used Baskin Nature Beetroot Lip Balm, which is my current and I will say forever favorite. This has a beautiful slight tint and nourishes my lips so good. That's how much I love it. Next, for makeup, I'm using the Faces Canada Primeriser and I'm applying it wherever my skin tends to get oily soon. This covers my pores so well, and also this provides a slight shine which is great for party looks. Next, I'm gonna correct my face with the orange corrector from PAC Cosmetics. I'm applying it on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So first, I'm blending it with my fingers to get the maximum pigmentation out of it, and then I'm gonna just dab the beauty blender on my face to just remove off the excess. Next, to set this and to avoid a mixing of foundation and orange corrector, I'm using the loose powder and I'm slightly dusting it on my face. The loose powder that I'm currently using is the K Beauty loose powder. Next, for foundation, I'm using Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in the shade 12. So actually, you can see that it might be a slightly light, but after it lightly oxidizes, it perfectly matches my skin tone. So I'm applying it well with a beauty blender. If you have oily and acne prone skin or a sensitive skin, beauty blender is the best to have a beautiful makeup base, guys. So I'm blending it all over my face, and if you don't have lines in your neck, go away to your neck and ears as well. Next, for highlighting concealer, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics concealer and I'm applying it under my eyes, center of forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, and I'm blending it well with a beauty blender. This highlighting concealer is the best way to highlight your beautiful facial features, and it gives a beautiful shape to your face as well. Next, I'm setting the complete base makeup with the same K Beauty loose powder. Here you can see that I'm using brush, but I will definitely recommend you to use a beauty blender, whichever you're using, to set the base makeup. Because if you set the base makeup with a beauty blender, your makeup tends to lock and last longer. Then for eyebrows, I'm using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. And I'm using the last dark shade to draw my eyebrows. You can see I'm using small short strokes to give a natural eyebrow like finish. So yeah, and then I'm using the spoolie side to comb. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm using the Nicka eyeshadow in the variant Sea Breeze, I guess. First, I'm using the yellow shade as a transition shade and I'm blending it well. Then I'm using this brick orange shade, such a beautiful shade, and I'm just blending it slightly below the yellow transition shade and slightly on the outer V as well. Then I'm taking the cool brown shade and I'm blending it on the outer V to deepen the crease. Then to cut the crease, I'm using the same sugar concealer and I'm cutting the crease. This crease doesn't need to be so perfect, guys, because you're just gonna cover it with shimmer shade. So yeah, now I'm setting this crease with the same loose powder. Then I'm dampening the shader brush and I'm applying the gold shade from the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical Paradise palette in the first inner third and the last outer third of the eyelid. Next, I'm using the green metallic shimmer shade from the Nicka eyeshadow palette and I'm filling the middle part of the eyelid. Then I'm using the same cool brown shade and I'm applying it on my lower lash line with a pencil brush. For kajal, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honorant Kajal and tightlining my upper and lower waterline. Yes, now I'm gonna attempt a beautiful wing eyeliner. Let's see how it goes. So I'm using the Stay Quirky sketch eyeliner and I'm drawing a thin winged eyeliner. I've mentioned all the products that I've used for this makeup look along with the links in the description box below, guys, so kindly check it out. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes with Vega eyelash curler. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is a waterproof one which is preferable for festive or parties, and I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna apply my false lashes from PAC Cosmetics. For bronzer, I've used Sugar Cosmetics Mini Bronzer and I'm applying it on my hollows of my cheeks, jawline and sides of my nose to warmth of my face. I'm using the mini blush from the same brand and I'm applying it in the apples of my cheeks and a slight bit in the center of my nose. Next, for highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, such a beautiful gold shade, and I'm applying it on the cheekbone, bridge of my nose, and also I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and highlight my eyebrow bone as well. For lips, first I'm gonna use Mars Lip Crayon, which is beautiful dark brown shade. I'm gonna outline my lips with it. Then I'm gonna use a Spekta Cosmetics lipstick which has a beautiful nude pinkish brown shade and I'm gonna fill the lips. I guess this lip color matches the outfit and suits the eye look. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. So that's the look for the day. I hope you like this look. This is such an apt and a beautiful look if you wear sari or a anarkali or a lehenga with a yellow and green outfit. I hope you like this look. If you do so, click the like button, comment down below whether you like this look or not, and also let me know what more videos do you want me to see next, and also don't forget to share. Also, you can check out my Instagram page for more skincare, hair care and makeup content. Until next time, bye!